Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 25, 2022. 4 star Sudoku. 7th grade. We have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. And 10th row, 3 numbers are 198. Column B, column D, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8 and 9, 8 will come in from the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, second row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come here on the 2 cells. 4th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come here on the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come here on the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come here on the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then column also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 5. Column D, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 3, 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column D, column B, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 4. Fifth row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. Column J, fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. Then 6th grade also we have 4 and 6. Then the 4 and 6, 2 can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1 and 4. 704 can't come this cell. It will come another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, only one number remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 5. 6th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, 4 numbers are remaining. 7, 9, 2, 3. Column H, we have 3, 9 and 7. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will be another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only one number remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. It will come another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 2. 9th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. It will come another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, in 5th row we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. It will come another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column G, only one number remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only one number remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, only one number remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, only one number remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.